You need more diesel?
Let's use this one to start it first.
I have more.
You have more? Okay.
It's right over there in the blue tank.
Okay.
Next to the truck.
Okay. It's gonna bleed in again now. Let's see the bleeding.
Start, right? I seen some dripping. Yep. Yep. Yes, sir. This is Abdul Maula fixing the backhoe Volvo in Chicago, United States.
Yeah.
He bleeding the diesel engine and cleaning up the system to start.
Yeah, it's good now. So we need to tie the back, the other side, the back there.
And he start tightening up all the pressure line, taking off the diesel filter. Here, I hold it.
Okay. Yeah.
I think he's looking for the 14-inch or the 15, right?
17.
17-inch socket. Where do you get that socket from?
It's a special tools.
You want to tie the other one?
No, I have a space. I have space outside here. I'm cool. I'm cool with that.
Oh, okay. You want to keep this?
Yeah.
He put in back in the diesel filter. And I think if you can, yeah, from the bottom. Yeah, here from the bottom. He clean it up. Where is the filter going to? So we can avoid any dust and dirt into the filter. Guys, you cannot use your filter again. You really have to replace it, but the only reason why you using it It's a brand new, and we have not bleed the diesel line and the fuel line, so that's why we using the old filter, which is a brand new filter. We just have to take it out and put it back in. I think he's looking for the screwdriver brushes. Yep, we've seen the clear diesel now. Clear like water. This is regarding Sunmax, right?
Yes.
Sunmax
Logistics
solution. They located in Indianapolis,
602 South Harding Street.
right on Harding Street, back in Indianapolis, Indiana. But he came all the way to Chicago. Tight back the brusher line. That's the brusher line, right?